YouTube, what's good YouTube? It's a baby that's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, guys, today the happiness is on another level. So yes, guys, basically what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is we're going for the vacation for the first time, guys. We wanted to go outside, but guys, I just realized with my passport it overstayed when I was coming here and I didn't get a chance to fix it. So we're going locally, supporting the local talents. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm packing my clothes. As you can see, guys, this one is gonna be a banger. So guys, what's gonna be happening is we're coming to Masvingo. We're gonna be exploring Masvingo. If you stay in Masvingo, make sure you hit me up. And your boy is coming there, your boy is visiting. Please buy me pap, buy me salsa if you see me there, and a lot, man. Just take me to nice places, wherever which is nice. I want to go there. So guys, currently I'm packing and very late because now it's around 12 and I want to go to Mukuru and collect some money and then kuzogaram transport, waiting for the bus to be full. I don't know if I'm gonna hike and stuff. So guys, I don't know, but what I know is today I'm gonna sleep in Masvingo. See you there. Make sure you don't miss me out. Super excited, bruh. Let's go, let's get it. So guys, I'm done packing now, and as you can see, my monarch is well packed. It's not well packed as such. I know I'm not a girl, I don't pack shekupenga. And then yeah, as you can see, there's 2 pairs of kicks there, J1 and the Air Force there, and then yeah. So guys, let's go in quickly bath and then so guys, I'm sure you all know that there's no ways yatopinda mukombi kana pandotravela ndorenga kutenga ice cream. I'm sure you know that. You guys, please, you should take vanekuma ice cream. I mean, vanekukotine kana vanekukellogs vozobama nanopusha business yenyu isingaite mana anosupporta business yenyu isingaite. Ngavatore ma-managers out, they should sponsor me, because like what the every day they will make sure ndatenga each and every day I buy ice cream. But anyways, guys, let's quickly go roundabout and see what Chinopera say, because yo, we are behind the time. Please, moyo napinda peace, unorapwa ne whiskey. Sakandati inewo mumambure momo pawandipendura ndichitexta abawange vati ndinomecha rudaronda kopa waipesta sweet brando wanditemisa musoro maybe I got a question chawakada chipa na gangsta ukandipa wana go come for more. What you did it to, we go be alone. So hey guys, finally I'm out here in Masvingo, Zuwa garage. And so hey guys, now I wanna go to the Airbnb. Yandawana. I got the reservation, but I'm going to someone with that and then I'm waiting for the person to come and pick me up. And then that's my friend, like a long-time friend. And then yeah, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. So guys, people stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing you what's gonna be happening. And now I'm waiting for the person to come and pick me up, and then do accommodation and Apuka. So guys, for now I'm out here in Masvingo, Pazuwa opposite in Richards. I'm going to start up on the Crocco Motors. You understand? So I don't know, man. Stay tuned. As you can see, look at Mona Kangarpanapa. And that's me here. You understand? And that's Masvingo and Richards here. Made up a Crocco Motors. But yeah, we out here. We're chilling. So guys, the other thing which is stressing me is shout out to Drew for on to mirror with t-shirt in your one. But anyways, guys, the other thing which is stressing me is like I just realized with Andakuchika since Maxine Nango build up a den because of the excitement. So yeah, it's hectic guys. But anyways, let's see what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna look for somewhere to eat some food. Maybe I have to go and leave my stuff first to Airbnb, and then and then I will look for a restaurant to eat some food because now I'm deadly hungry and it's crazy, man. Anyways guys, stay tuned and see what's gonna happen. Let's get it. So guys, I'm almost fainting here, man. I don't know what's happening. I don't know and it's going to be walking distance or abanzi muno macho na Masvingo amuna Indrive. Energy hapa bana chena nengo shike babo direct with Indrive, but nasiri kuziya so nangoti ndingo request kusvika pana papazuwa kana pakona mwanzi pakuroko motors so ndazongona pana pari safe kumira since sikaziya nzvimbo. And yeah, this person is taking too long and I'm super hungry. Like, let me look for ice cream, maybe so long, but it's gay to eat ice cream. But anyways, I don't mind. I mean, Masvingo much number one again. What's happening? What's happening, more boys? Are we not servicing the cars, or what's happening here? Anyways, guys, Ndamira Indrive. It went up to you said what went? I'm going to go you side to Mashawa Nizu. You side. I'm going to you side. Anyways, guys, I'll show you the Indrive away. So you guys Indrive and another mirror shika. Nika kono shika Pro Box. Kia white. Ayo, dagapo marinyo wangu mkuru. Then bana try uniting some marine. Alright. Sasa wanazonzo ayo in the fake. Boss yange rinyo wangu to do that. Wanamgoti wanaramba ba mkuru. Ayo. Yata zikonya hapo bana winche kushi. Dagapo tu wa mkuru rinyo. So you guys ndashika pa accommodation and kuenda here in Masvingo. So yeah, stay tuned and see what's popping. You understand? So that's the place. I don't know what's happening inside, but yeah, just stay tuned and see what's popping. I'm gonna give you a room tour. I'm gonna give you a place tour and stuff. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Peace out. So you guys, that's the place. And now to me Raguta check in, and then yeah. So you guys, ndaita check in. Panbashina pari nani zvapo. I'm gonna give you this. house tour, Richie apartment tour, hey, lodge tour. I mean, but yeah, guys, make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. Ichi? Yeah, guest house tour. Guest house at Dawana Masvingo muno. And now if I go and grab some food in Nyana, kuno drink sausage there kuno. Kwenda upi? Astobo zia. Tufamba se, tufala ndo. Yeah. Any foods. Pane kana in restaurant kari paduze. Yo. Naona. Kore kunotenga kune mateka away in fact. Kunotenga sausage. Ndio. Ku speed, pane kune speed. Like misika masadza machiano machiyari. Unomati machi. Mateka away ntenga masadza. Anozo masadza. So guys, tukaenda panonzi pa hillside apapo. And I don't know tsaga sadza. Nzara ndrova makuseni. Excitement yekuti ndoda kuenda kuka vacation ke kumasvingo kanga ndrova sereke and then andashanda. So yeah. Let's see kuti ndinowana chekudyera apo and then I'll go back kuka tangwena kandrugara and then I'll give you a tour. Zvipera sei. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, ndakutenga jeda. Ndana waridza ma copyrights. So man, ndatenga jeda ri panape. Jeda ni gangore high freeze. Look at this view. Igome yakachiyamira. Do zvandatenga. So yeah, ndokuoneka ndasvika ku guys mozoti kuti lodge zvotenga mino zvimwe kwauri kuenda asi wakati ku guest house notenga uri kuenda kunhu kwakasiyana ndinde akatozvionera ukati uri kuenda ku lodge notenga watora zvimwe zvinhu but yeah guys kana enda ku lodge I'll catch you later. Make sure stay tuned. So guys ndazotenga tuma buns twekuzoti usiku kana nzara yangu andivatika zvepapo chiroma editings nene and editing content for you guys. So ndazototi kana nzara yandrova chichipepa and then I'll do whatever that I'm doing. So now I'm going back kumba kwandroenda and then ndochika and then I'll give you a room tour or a house tour. Chigara for 3 days and then yeah. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch the video to the end. You like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go, let's get it. What's good YouTube buddy? It's a boy Perez. That's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Understand? So guys, now I wanna go and give you the room tour or the accommodation tour. So now I was loitering around the hood, the ghetto, as you can see. It's night, unfortunately you can't see. So I was inside the Masvingo ghetto. I mean, once the suburb because you're not going to end this. Now it's late. So I will show you, I'm going to be showing you ghetto near suburb. So for now, Tripana Papa accommodation no zipa White House. As you can see, Dupani accommodation na Chigara, Dupani lodge na Chigara. And let me go and give you a house tour. Nana. So yeah, let's go. Let's see what's popping. Can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait to hit great Zimbabwe. Yes, let's go. As you can see. Ndavunduka. Ndaona munhu wangachi. Tira na muvamwe nabatwa. Okay. So okay. So I have more rooms. So na backup and bathroom. As you can see. The bath. So bath here, this room and this one. And then So yeah, this is gonna be my bath. As you can see, this one, and then there's raining. And where go? See it even working. Oh, it's working. Okay. How about here? Oh, so yeah. So that's the bath. As you can see here, it's too quiet here. Huh? As you can see. So let me go and show you my room. Let's go. So yeah, this is my small room. I mean, it's worth it. I mean, what can we say? But yeah, so this is a small cupboard area. As you can see, this is where I'm gonna be putting my clothes. My clothes there. Another pair of kicks. This one, I'm gonna put it there to be able to just pick up for 3 days to rubber board. And then yeah, I bought some food just in case they got one in Zara. And these two, so you just have to do this like this. And then yeah, you see my monarch there. And just put my roll on here. And then obvious, this is my bag, so you can see, and my power bank there. And then this is the hangers. And yeah, here's the bin. Unfortunately, I don't got the just because my phone was kind of off. Yeah. This is the window, as you can see. Yeah, that's gonna be my view outside there, as you can see. Yeah, not much. Okay. Actually, my room is better than, but yeah, we're just compromising. It's a compromising or something. We're just working with one on the ground, you understand? And nothing much. So I beg you guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my small apartment, or my small room for as little as 25 per night, so which means per 3 days something like 75. YouTube, please, you guys should watch my ads. Please, you should watch my ads, because I'm gonna run broke. Is it run broke, or I'm gonna be broke as fuck? So yeah guys, can't wait to show you what's happening here tomorrow. Can't wait to show you everything that I'm gonna see tomorrow. So yeah, I love you so much guys. As you can see, actually I don't even know why. Okay, so my honest review about this place is 2-star. Okay, why? No headboard, no blue lights. Look at the bed. Oh, it's just a plastic. Yeah, maybe 1 star for the comfortability of the bed. Let's see. 1 star, 2 star. And then this one is taking down all the 2 stars. No, should the stars. At least maybe if it was repainted with one white, yeah, it was gonna be better. So this one, which I don't understand, they should kind of like repaint it. And yeah, color blocking, and the ceiling is fine. Color blocking, yeah, I don't know if it's the like the design or something, but yeah, Yes, at 2 stars is hard. Let me just say 1. Let me just say 1 because the water is not working nicely. Let's go check. There's no light here. See? No. Okay. There's light. So. Okay. What about here? Just cold water. Nice. Alright. The mirror is small. Maybe you're supposed to put it this way, but yeah. Anyways. That's your boy. As you can see. Okay. Then this is the sink. Where is the lid? Guys, I'm looking for the tape, but I don't know where I can find it. Tape, I can't see it though. Yo. That's crazy. I can't see the outside tape. That's crazy. So you can't. Was only watching speaker. There's no cough. Was only watching speaker here, and they look dated. This one, they kind of look dated. But anyways, I'm here inside the 1-star apartment accommodation in Masvingo. Anyways, guys, I beg you guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? Road to 10,000. I'm not coming back to Harare. Can I pass that 10,000? So yeah, you better give me 10,000 or else I'm staying here. I beg guys, let me go and sleep. And yeah, thank you guys. Tango.